Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install Java in your PC. Using Visual Studio Code. So here you can see I have installed Visual Studio Code. If you want to install it, just go to your favorite browser and go for Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. So make sure to go for this blue one, okay? And then here you can see download for Windows. Just click here and it will actually start downloading. If it is not, then click here, direct download link. So I have installed it already, so I don't need to actually download and install it once again. I hope you can install it, okay, like other software. So here you can see getting started in Java, right? So you have to click here getting started, and here you can see install code pack for Java Windows. So just click here and it will actually start downloading code pack. You can see we have downloaded it. Now just go for the installation, click here. All right, just go for the next and go for the installation. Okay, so here you can see our installation is done. Now let's go for the finish, and here you can see I have checked launch it. Okay, now I will go for the cmd command line, okay, and I will run as administrator, and I will select yes, and I will check java version, and here you can see we have Java installed, right? All right, now let's say I want to create a Java project, so I can actually create here Java project, and here I will say no build tool, okay, or maybe I can go to view and command palette, and here I will say Java project, Java create project, right? Okay, and here I will say no build tool, and now I will go here. So I will actually select this folder, so I will select folder location, and here now I have to give project name, so let's name it my Java. Okay, so I have already this folder, so let me just delete this one, my Java, and I'm going to delete it. Now let's check once again. I will say my Java, and I will press enter, okay, to confirm this. So I will press enter, and do you want to save your workspace configuration as file? Save. All right, here you can see we have created my Java, okay, so we just have to drag and drop this project here and save. Okay, now here you can see we have source here app.java. so here you can see we have hello world, so we just have to run it, and here is the output. All right, so here you can see the problem is with JDK, right? Here you can see the term javac, okay, is not recognized as the name of cmd late. Okay, no problem. So we have to set the environment variable. So here you can see I am in the JDK installed drive. So I have to go to the C drive because I have installed in C drive, right? So then just go for the program files, okay, double click on it, enter here, and then here you can see Eclipse Adoptium, okay, so you just have to go here, and then you can see JDK hotspot, and here you have to go, then go for the bin. All right, and just copy this path, okay, and go to system environment. You can search here system system environment, okay, and here environment variables, go here, and then go for the system variable here path, go for the path. Here you can see path, just go for the edit and create a new one and paste it here. Okay, and okay. Now let's close it and run it once again. Now let's run it once again, the code, and here you can see hello world. So the problem was with the path, okay, we have to set the environment path. All right, so this is how actually you can install, you can write Java in Visual Studio Code, you can install JDK, and you can set the path, okay. From our next video we will learn Java from very basic to advanced, okay. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.